Hey y'all, hey! Today I'll be starting off with the Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. I like to wash my hair in two sections because it's easier to manage. So I'm going to apply the co-wash on my first section, and already when applying, I love the fact that it was creamy and it didn't take much to get a full coverage. And also the smell, OMG y'all, the smell was so bomb. Some of the ingredients listed were shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and provitamin B5. Here I'm just working it into my hair evenly to prepare for detangle. So the curl expert tip on the back of the bottle says, detangle while co-wash is still in hair before rinsing. Super easy, and it was just that. I was able to detangle my hair in a breeze. Now I'll be doing the same thing to the next section. So if you're wondering how I got these products, if you follow me on my social media platforms, I posted that I was the winner of the Luster's Pink Friday weekend giveaway, and I was so excited to be a winner because I never win anything, y'all. And I was even more excited once I received them and used them because these products really gave my hair a lot of body, definition, and shine. So I've rinsed out the product, and here's a clip of how clean my scalp was. My hair smells so good and it was so lightweight. To style, I'll be using only one product, and that's the Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Curl and Twist Pudding. The pudding is also lightweight and it smells so bomb, y'all. Some of the ingredients are shea butter and coconut oil, plus olive and argan oils, aloe vera and chamomile extracts, and vitamin E. Braiding curls have been my go-to style lately for the convenience, and it's less time consuming, so that's what I'll be doing today. So here it is the next day. I'm ready to take my hair down. I let it air dry overnight. To separate, I'll be using the Luster's Pink Glosser, which is good for adding shine and eliminating frizz. And y'all, I just cannot get enough of how good this stuff smells. Like, I know you all are tired of hearing me say it, but it really smells amazing. And it is also made with aloe, shea butter, and jojoba oil, and it is silicone free. Now I'm just going to continue to separate until I get the desired fullness. I was highly satisfied with my results, and these products are definitely one of my new favorites. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to follow me across all my social media platforms so you can be the first to see my results, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and until next time, bye.